Thank you for calling Native Camper Vans. This is Jen. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking to today?
Hey, Jen, how are you doing? This is Will.
I'm doing well, Will. May I help you with sales or finding your camper van?
I need to find my camper van.
Okay, let's find your van. To start, I will need your confirmation number. You'll be able to find this on your receipt sent to your email.
Yeah, my confirmation number is 255-432926.
So just to confirm, your confirmation number is 255432926. And what is your last name, Will?
My last name is Leonard.
Okay, Will, I'm searching for your camper van now. Give me a moment. I see here that you're looking for your 2024 Keystone Sport 179 RB. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, your van is ready for pickup and is located in the Dick's Sporting Goods parking lot at 3133 Cinema Point, Colorado Springs. Would you like me to text this address to you?
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
All right, I'll text you the address when we end this call. Do you have any other questions for me before I go?
No, that should be it. Thank you very much for your help.
Okay, thank you very much for your call, Will. Feel free to call back if you have any other questions or concerns.